As with many other spices and herbs, ginger is well known around the world for its health benefits. Often used in tea, ginger is a superfood that is very effective at soothing digestive problems or relieving cold and flu symptoms. Another added benefit that very few people know about is that ginger can actually promote weight loss. Here are the 4 ways that ginger can help you lose weight. 1. Ginger is good for digestion. For centuries, ginger has been the go-to root for a wide range of GI distresses. Researchers believe its compounds stimulate digestive secretions, improve intestinal muscle tone, and help move food through the gastrointestinal tract. This is very helpful because poor digestion can cause you to put on waste that ultimately makes you bloated and heavier. Not to mention how the toxins produced from the waste can cause inflammation and a host of other health problems. 2. Ginger is a natural appetite suppressant. In addition to improving digestion, ginger can also help you feel full, which in turn reduces food consumption. Ginger is nearly calorie-free and works as a natural appetite suppressant with no side effects. The journal Metabolism published a study in 2012 that demonstrated that a hot ginger beverage containing 2 grams of ginger powder consumed after a meal reduces feelings of hunger for up to 6 hours. 3. Ginger reduces cortisol. Ginger suppresses cortisol, a stress hormone. This is very important because chronic stress can cause cortisol levels to rise too high. And when that happens, your body starts stuffing your cells with fat. This is one of the reasons why highly stressed individuals have a hard time losing belly fat and easily put on weight. 4. Ginger helps stabilize blood sugar levels. To burn fat, your body's blood sugar levels should always be at a normal range. Too low and your body starts storing fat. Too high and you're set for an energy crash, which makes you want to eat more sugary junk food. Just 1/4 teaspoon of ginger has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels. How to make ginger water? There's nothing easier than making ginger water. Here's what you'll need to do. Ingredients: 1 1/2 cup of water. Ginger cut in pieces. Instructions: boil the water. Add the pieces of ginger. Let simmer for 20 minutes. How to use: drink ginger water in the morning before eating breakfast. Make a fresh new batch of ginger water every morning. You can carry the ginger water everywhere with you when you go out in a thermos and drink it for the day, sip by sip.